Okay, so today we are going to look at a few of the hotel key cards in my collection. So we are going to start with the Courtyard by Marriott's. The first two I am going to show have been collected from the Courtyard by Marriott, Destin, Fort Walton Beach. This one is very yellow. Made by PLIcards.com. I don't know if you can see that. Very yellow. Alright, and this one was collected there as well. They have playful little sayings on them. Next, I have this one. I don't remember where I collected this one, but it was sometime last year for Super Bowl 50, because they're the official hotel of the Super Bowl every year. And now, let's see, we'll show I only have one Hilton card, because we only stay at one Hilton. Hilton Garden Inn, with Hilton propaganda. Also made by PLI Cards. And now, let's do the Fairmont. Every year I do stay at a Fairmont heritage place, and I have a few different hotels key cards from there. So I'll start with this one, just a basic Fairmont hotel key card. Very, very basic. And now, the other one that is customized for the facility heritage place. It's in Florida. Nothing on the back, because it's not necessarily just for Fairmont members. And now we will let's do Renaissance hotels. So this is for your basic Renaissance key reader. And now this one is for your keyless. So the ones you just tap. See, there's no stripe. And now let's do Hyatt. I only have one of these because I've only stayed at one. Just says Hyatt on the front. On the back, it's just pretty much blank. Stayed at a Hyatt in Arizona once. Let's do Sheraton. I have only stayed at a few Sheratons, and the only place I got these cards was actually at the Sheraton in Springfield, Massachusetts. They feature workers in a really cool picture, actually. Sheraton. And then the back, a lot of Sheraton propaganda. Sheraton did not meet up to the expectations of their hotel key cards. Here's the other one I had there. Another person. Same back. So now we'll go to the Weston. I have 3 Weston hotel key cards, all from the same Weston. This one says "Let's Rise," along with a big paragraph on the back. I don't know if you can read that. The camera doesn't want to focus on it, but it's more Weston propaganda. And here is another one I got from that Weston. It's actually the Weston in Boston, Massachusetts, the Copley Place location. Never got a hotel tour there, unfortunately. And here's the final Weston key card. They're all very similar, but notice it's right there. See how that's not rounded? Isn't that interesting? Never seen that at any hotel but the Westons. But finally, the Marriott Elite member cards. So we'll start with the older Elite member cards, which I don't believe are in use anymore, except for they now use these at the lower branded Marriotts, like Courtyards and Fairfields. This was used at full-service Marriotts up until a few years ago when they switched it to the key card I'll show next. So this is for hotels that you gotta swipe it, and this is for hotels where you just tap. I think I got this at a Courtyard Marriott in Binghamton, New York. Alright, and now this is the current design used by all Marriott hotels. As you can tell, it's a little bit different than that one. I really like the back on this. You can't tell very well, but that is a different color than this. There, you might be able to see it better. But I really like the front. So this is one you would swipe, as you can tell by the magnetic strip here. And now, this is the one that you don't swipe. I believe I got this at a Marriott in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. And here's the final one in my collection, besides duplicates, of course. This was collected at the Boston Marriott Long Wharf in Boston, Massachusetts. As you can tell. Lots of writing, a lot of information about the concierge lounge. One of the cooler key cards that I've come across, but until the next video, that will be it.